We saw massive moves up back then, and I think that is exactly what would happen again. However, as we test this support, if whale money drops through this and breaks the support level, I can almost guarantee a significant move down would be incoming. Ethereum has officially dropped down to the predicted structure support, and it appears we could actually see a breakout soon. As long as whale money continues dropping, we should expect the price to drop too. And with that in mind, just how far down could Ethereum drop before we reach 2024? Let's find out in this video. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video, and if you enjoy, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. Just a couple of announcements really quickly. First up, we have a huge Christmas indicator sale live today, and this ends Friday. It is $650 off our indicators, a massive, absolutely gigantic discount. You do not want to miss out on this. Take advantage of this as fast as possible. On top of that, we have future forecast videos coming out tomorrow. We have a masterclass on how to actually use these indicators properly, everything you need to know. And today, Travis just bought $25,000 worth of blank. Watch this as soon as possible. Last up, trade setups really quickly. We literally just posted 6 trades. After winning 1 this morning, we are now 110 wins, 0 losses with 9 trades for you to follow. Now, just really quickly, if you want to access all this and more, go ahead and scroll down into the description of the video you're watching right now, click more, access that insane indicator sale at the first link, join our membership at the second link, and join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. With that, we're going to dive into the Ethereum metrics. Heading down to Ethereum here, the very first metric we're taking a look at is the emotional index. As of this weekend, we have dropped into anxious territory. As you can see right here, back here, back here, most often either of these red territories, whether anxious or fearful, tend to be extremely bullish. Because of that, we should be expecting moves up soon, but there are a couple points we need to pay attention to that tell me that we could actually see continued drops first. Watch out for that. Next up, we're going to be taking a look at the Ethereum volatility breakout detector. Now, it's not until we drop below the breakout zone that we're really considering this a major signal. You can see right here, breakout zone, very near breakout zone, very near breakout zone. We saw crazy moves to the upside, so you do not want to miss this. However, we have a little bit before we see any major moves, so keep an eye out for this. If we drop below that breakout zone, beware for large moves incoming. Next up, we need to see what whales are doing. With the whale smart money metric, we see a major long trade sentiment showing up for whales. This tells us that at least in the near future, we should see whales begin buying back into the market to see the price rise to the upside. Very, very exciting. I think as soon as we hit around the 600 to 800 level, this is when we're going to see those moves up. So as long as the price continues moving downwards, we should see long trade sentiment increase. Now this shows what whales are likely to do soon. Let's check out what whales are actively doing today with the whale money flow relative to price chart. As whale money drops out of the market, indicated by the green line moving downward, the price is highly likely to drop as well. Now on this metric, we are approaching structure support right here. This sits around the 40 to 45 level, and if the price drops, if we bounce and move back up, whale money moves back into the market, this should rocket the price back up. This would be very, very bullish. However, if this structure support here gets broken and whale money crashes through this, expect massive drops to the downside. This right here, this level, the 40 to 45 level on the whale money flow chart, is what we need to be watching in order to predict the next move. Pay very close attention to this. Next up, let's take a look at major support and resistance levels for our next target. Now, we have major structure support at $2,136, and there's one more that we need to pay attention to in the live charts. So I'm going to show you exactly where that sits. Stay tuned for that, but for now, we are actively testing that $2,100 level. Last but not least is the Ethereum trade signals chart. After receiving multiple sell signals, we saw it moves to the downside. Very consistent how this plays out. And as we drop, I'll be looking for a buy signal. A buy signal with bullish signals from the rest of our charts should indicate a massive move to the upside. So keep an eye out for that. Buy signal move up, buy signal move up, buy signal move up, buy signal move up. Very, very consistent. Do not miss out on any of these next signals. They are crucial to determine Ethereum's next move. Now, members get access to the Ethereum metrics along with metrics across all 20 coins on our website. Members get access to our future forecast videos, trade setups, morning brew overview, inner circle live Zoom hangout, and many, many more benefits, including massive discounts for our Christmas indicator sale. If you want to join our membership, you can do so at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the second link. Click that. It'll bring you to the membership page. The full access for $59 a month is what you're looking for. This is a limited time special. Price increases up to $95 a month are coming soon. Do not miss out. It's going to include everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, we are heading into the live charts for Ethereum. I'm trading Ethereum on the 1-day time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. Now we are actively testing structure support here at $2,142. We see trades in favor very low, very nearly towards the long trade section. And price versus well money flow is right smack dab in the middle of its chart. Now, most often this is going to be neutral, if not slightly bullish. And we need to be watching this structure support on the price versus well money flow as I showed you on the metric charts. As well money drops, we're going to test this support. I almost guarantee it. But once we reach that, it could be a breaking point for Ethereum. This is a market defining moment we're watching right now. If whale money bounces off of this and moves back into the market just as it did back here, we saw massive moves up back then, and I think that is exactly what would happen again. However, as we test this support, if whale money drops through this and breaks the support level, I can almost guarantee a significant move down would be incoming. Now, if whale money is low, trades in favor is low, both of these tend to be extremely bullish. But if we get a buy signal, especially around the $1,900 structure support, all three of these would combine to be extremely bullish for Ethereum. Now, keep in mind, as we head over to the 1-week time frame, things are still looking pretty bearish here. Price versus well money flow is high. Trades in favor is high with an 82% chance of a drop. A sell signal here would very likely signal continued moves to the downside. On the larger time frames, we are looking bearish. On the shorter time frame, the 1-day and lower, we are looking much more bullish. So it's really tough to tell exactly what's going on. Best case scenario is a move back up to the $2,300 level, but I think a more likely move is a drop to that $1,900 level as we transition into 2024. Unfortunately, I think things are just going to be looking bearish overall. If we do move up to $2,300, I think a move down to that $1,900 level is imminent afterwards. So no matter what, $1,900 is my target, and from the current price, this is an overall move down of about 11%. So you need to pay very close attention to this. Once again, my main confirmation for a move either direction is if whale money moves to this support and bounces back up, things should be looking up. If whale money crashes through this, we should see a crash through the $2,142 structure support. These indicators are crucial for our trades. In fact, they would have helped us earn 110 wins, 0 losses, and we just called out 6 more trades with these indicators. We're expecting these to play out within the next 2 to 3 weeks, so stay tuned for that with our membership. And snag these indicators right now as soon as you can before you run out of time for our $650 Christmas indicator sale. Check this out. Once again, links are down in the description of the video you're watching right now. Scroll down, click more. The indicators are the first link. Click that. If we scroll down here, you're going to see some insane profits. This person earned 16% with these indicators. This person was up $9,000 with their account up over 39%. Scrolling down, this person made $950 in 1 day, $4,300 just a week, $2,100 in 3 days. Absolutely absurd. If you want to make these profits too, you're going to want to snag the Pro Indicator Pack with a member discount. This is going to be your first $250 off. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. In fact, it's an additional $150 off. Once you have your membership, click Access Coupon Code, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Go ahead and scroll down, click I want this, throw in that membership coupon code, fill in your information, click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, completing your full $650 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and do not miss out on this indicator sale.